Hi students, so I am going to be walking you through the magnet and coil interactions investigation. All right, so you should have on your desktop this document downloaded and copied. As we do this, you will need to be filling out the answers in this located on this side. Now, I know that you won't be able to draw in these arrows, and that's okay. So leave this part blank, but we'll be talking about more of this in the building understanding ed puzzle, okay? But really, during this video, make sure you're filling in this middle column here involving the effect on the system. So what are we observing? Okay, so in this investigation, just to show you, we are going to be setting up our coil and magnet with our wire. Okay, so here with me, I've got or not a magnet, I've got a battery, just a simple D-cell battery, some sandpaper, a magnet. I've got a coil of wire that I've already made up. Okay, and a couple of pieces of electrical tape. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, like the investigation says, I'm going to set it up so that the two are repelling or pushing each other. So to do that, I will take my coil of wire and I am going to tip my thing down here so you guys can see. But I'm going to take my coil of wire and I'm going to put one part of it right here where I rubbed off the sandpaper or rubbed off the enamel coating like this with the sandpaper. I'm going to put this right here on this side of the battery. And then I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to tape it down. Now, one of the things we have to be cognizant of is when we do this, this wire will get hot. So whenever we're not using it, we're going to disconnect it. So if you'll see, this is my disconnected part. Okay, the wire, there's no electricity running through here. However, as soon as I take this and I place the end right here on the other button part of this battery, there is now electricity running through this. And I'm not getting shocked, but what you'll notice is that as we leave it connected, there will be heat generated in this coil, and I can already feel that it's getting warm, okay? Now, in here, we did need to put some stickers on our magnet and our coil to show which direction they are. So you'll notice I've got a yellow sticker on here, and I'm gonna have a yellow sticker, and I'm gonna see just which way these are oriented right now. So if they're pushing or pulling. So you'll notice right now, right, when I put it like this, the two are being pushed away, right? You'll notice that coil of wire does not want to be near it, okay? And that's exactly how I want it. So I'm going to label this side by just putting another little sticker in here, and it won't stick very well, but I'll put the sticker just like this. So we'll notice that, hey, the two stickers are facing out like this. Okay, now the first part of my investigation is I want to make sure that the magnet and the coil are turned so that the stickers are facing in. So right now this is facing in this way, and this magnet is facing in as well. So I'll point it this way. So they're facing in, and just recognize what they're doing. Okay, so when they're facing in, what is the observation? So we're going to notice that, right, when I push them together, right, are they attracting or repelling? So as I push, notice, are they moving further apart or are they coming together? And I'll show you this way, and you might be able to see a little better. Okay, are they attracting or are they repelling? All right. I'll do it one more time here so you can see. Are they attracting or are they repelling? Okay. So that's our first one. All right. Now we're going to want to orient them so that the coil so the coil around, so the magnet sticker is facing in, so in, but the coil sticker is facing out. So I'm going to turn my coil of wire around so that it's facing out like this now. All right, you'll notice that my sticker is now facing out towards you. It's facing this way, and this is facing the other way. And notice what happens when I put them together. All right, they are coming together. And to show you that, I'm going to take this and bunch it up a little bit. If I do that, watch it pulls it towards it. All right, so see observation-wise what's happening. All right. Different observation. Okay, and in fact, if I'm careful, the magnet's a little big, but it would almost just sit there. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the third one. It says turn the magnet around so that the sticker is facing out, but the coil sticker is facing in. So I'm going to turn it again. So the coil sticker is facing in this way, but the magnet sticker now is going to be facing out. So when I do this, you'll notice again what's happening. Sometimes if I bunch it up like this, ooh, that is very hot actually. If I bunch it up like this, you might be able to see a little better what happens. Right, so there they are. Recognize what's happening with my magnet in my coil of wire. And then last one is turn both the magnet and coil around so that both stickers are facing out. So magnet is facing out right now. I want to turn this around so that it's facing out. So I'll turn it and I'll bunch it up so we can see kind of easily here. So they're both facing out. Notice what's going to happen. Okay, and notice this side looks like it's attracting, but be very careful to pay attention to, did it look exactly like what we had before? So notice how, is it moving towards or away? Okay, is it moving towards or away? Either one of you next to each other or not. All right. So that is our magnet investigation. So make sure now on your sheets that you are indicating in those spaces where it said the effect on the system that you're writing down, was the wire repelled by the magnet or was the wire attracted? And to give you a hint, two of them should be attracted and two of them should be repelled. All right. Please make sure that is also shared to your teacher when you're done.